Hello students, continuing with chapter number 24, energy. Can you tell we make useful objects from variety of substance? Another use of substance is that we get energy from some of them. Okay, there is a car. Its tank is full of fuel, but it does not move. Why is that? When we have run a long distance, we feel tired. We have to stop. Why is that? Because our energy gets drained or finished. Okay, that's why after running a long distance, we feel tired, right? And we need to stop and relax. Energy is required to do work. The capacity of our body to do work is called energy. When petrol or diesel burns in a motor vehicle, energy gets released. When the petrol is finished or it is stopped during the vehicle too stops running. When something burns, energy gets released in the form of heat. You have learned that in our body too, energy is obtained by burning of certain substance. Many vehicles can be run using fuel, coal, diesel, CNG, LPG, petrol are all substances from which energy is obtained in the form of heat. When a person or a vehicle moves, heat gets converted into motion. Energy in the form of motion is called kinetic energy. Correct? See, these are the few examples of kinetic energy. Which other machines you know use kinetic energy to do certain tasks? How do they get this kinetic energy? A ceiling fan, a mixer grinder, a water pump are machines in which kinetic energy is used. They get kinetic energy from electricity. Electricity is also a form of energy. Correct? When the electricity passes through the wires and the motor starts working. See, there is a motion, no? So that is also a kinetic energy. What is the original source of energy for electricity produced at thermal power station? Use your brain power. What uses of heat energy do we see in our daily life? Other forms of energy. We use several devices in which work is done using not heat but other forms of energy. Other forms of energy. We use several devices in which work is done using not heat but other forms of energy. For example, we use electricity to run the TV. In it, the electricity is converted into light and sound energy. In a solar cooker or solar water heater, solar energy is used. When we burn substance like coal, mineral oil, stored energy, they contain in converted into heat energy. Sources of energy. We use various forms of energy such as heat, light, sound, electricity and kinetic energy to do different tasks. Correct? So different forms of energy are used to make electricity. Okay, our main source of all these forms of energy are fuels and electricity. And to produce electricity, many power stations use fuel. Stores of coal and mineral oil on earth are limited. In future, we will have to use mainly solar energy and atomic energy for the purpose of producing electricity. Do you know there are batteries which produce using electricity? They are called solar batteries. The heat of the sun, flowing water and wind do not get depleted. Besides, they do not cause pollution when used to produce electricity. But producing electricity by these methods is expensive, and in any method of electricity generation, resources from the environment have to be used. Hence, making a habit of using the minimum amount of electricity is necessary in today's world. In this chapter, we have learned every substance we see around us is made up of minute particles. We can make different objects from same substance. Substances are in solid, liquid or gaseous state. The capacity of a body to do work is called energy. Very important point, children. All moving things have kinetic energy. Various forms of energy such as heat, light, sound, electricity are used to do different kinds of work. Sunlight, wind and water are non-exhaustible source of energy. Correct?